Oh my word, this is my first video. This is the first video that I'm actually going to be putting up onto YouTube. Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Oh my word, this is my first video. This is the first video that I'm actually going to be putting up onto YouTube. Well, not really. I've done it in the past before, but this is the first video I'm going to be putting up after I had initially done like a video back in the day, and I was demoralized and demotivated because I felt like my content was not doing the things. But now I just came back to life and I'm like, the most important thing is sharing information, isn't it? So I am coming back again. I am reintroducing myself. Like I said, my name is Vivienne Mojapelo, and today I just wanna bring myself into the world and let you guys know who I am, what the channel is gonna be about. Okay, so a brief background about me. I am a wife, mother, to a 2-year-old. I'm not a wife to a 2-year-old. I'm a mother to a 2-year-old, but I'm a wife to an older man. Okay, and I come from a family of 3 kids, me being the middle child. I don't have middle child syndrome or whatever they call it. Most people just have like this weird thing that middle kids have this neglect syndrome. I don't have that. And another thing about me, career-wise, I am a chartered accountant, and yeah, so basically I'm in or within finance basically. Okay, so what is it that I'm actually going to be talking about on this channel? On this channel I want to talk about financial literacy. It is so important to understand your financial products, your financial standing, and what is available out there in terms of improving your financial well-being. There is something called financial well-being, yes, and I would like to share as much information as possible with you guys because I know how difficult it is for most people to do their own research and gather all this information, especially if they are not coming from a financial background. And that is why you have people like us that can share information with you freely. But one thing you need to note also is anything I share with you does not constitute as financial advice. It is something that you have to take in and evaluate it for yourself and make sure that it is fitting for your financial situation and for your lifestyle. Okay, so that is one thing I'm going to be sharing here on this channel. And yeah, so this financial thing is going to encompass a lot of things, anything finance related, financial products, business. Oh my word, like it makes me so excited to even talk about it. How to prepare your business for audits, how to, like those kind of topics are the topics I'm going to be touching on financial wise. And the next other topic I want to talk about is purpose. It is so difficult for people to navigate this life thing if they don't understand their purpose, if they don't know what their purpose is. And fortunately, in my journey, even though it took me like forever and ever, I have eventually figured out what my purpose is and what my calling is, or what God has called me to come do. God has called me to come and serve you, and God has called me to come and share with you information. God has taught me to has called me to come be a empowerment platform for women, and that is what I am about to do. So God has called me to be a powerhouse. Let me just say so myself, and I am proud to say so, because I mean, if you understand God's purpose and God's plan for your life, you can confidently stand within the people and say, hey, I am called to become a powerhouse, and that is what I am going to be. Yes. And another thing I will be sharing are like those DIY products, DIY projects that literally could be saving you money, because hey, this is going to be mostly like how to navigate this life thing cheaply and save as much as possible, grow your wealth, and make sure your next generation is sorted when you are no longer there. And so my DIY projects, I do quite a bit of those. I mean, I make my own, like you're gonna be like, oh girl, why are you doing such things? I make tables, so like those things that I feel fitting, I need in the house that I can make, I will make them. Trust me. I will go buy paint, I will go buy, if it adds up to be something cheaper, I will go and make it. And other things I actually want to address are like, I'm going to be addressing like random kind of things like efficiency, like in your life, or setting up your life in a way that, like I said, I'm a mother, I'm a wife, and I'm a career woman, and I am actually in business as well. So juggling all those things, how I structure my life and make sure that everything works. I am not superwoman, and I need to plan just like everybody else needs to plan. And those are the kind of things I am going to be sharing with you as to how I do it. And like, I am like so excited about this journey. I know I might be looking nervous on the video as well. Actually, I can't even see myself. That's a funny thing, but that's okay. I'm so excited, and I hope you will enjoy this journey with me, and you will partner with me in this journey, and we will grow together. We will learn together as much as possible. And those of you that actually want to see a video of how I did, these are actually quite old, how I did my logs, please also comment down below. I am going to share that video. I have actually recorded it before I actually recorded my welcome video. Yeah, that's why I'm like, this is not actually my first video also, because girl has recorded her hair tutorial. And I'm so happy about these logs. They're actually now 2 or 3 weeks old, so they're not looking so great, but that's okay also. So if you want that type of content also, in terms of how I do my own hair and how I take care of my afro, I've got an afro actually, do let me know in the comment box below, and I will be glad to share such information with you. Who did it kill to share information, especially information that could help you improve your life and improve your well-being. Thank you so much for watching. I don't want to waste any more of your time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Leave your comments down below to actually inform me with regards to what type of content you'd like to see. I'd really appreciate that, and I am happy and willing and excited to serve you in future. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.